Goldfinch Gaming here from Posh and Suicidal. Today we're going to be playing a game called, I already forgot what it's called. Crap. Battle Bay. Okay. Well, we're going to get right into a battle. And we'll see how we do. I'm not very good at this game either. There's an enemy over there. I'm going to shoot there. And of course, I'm going to miss. Whoa. Okay, I had a mortar. Oh, that hit water. Crap. I'd say I'm doing fairly well. Yeah, I got someone. And this person right here is probably going to kill me. Unless I kill them first. Wait. I hit him for 45. I still have full health. Oh, yeah. Double kill. I got this. Well, that would have been a good snipe shot. If I got that. Yep. We did good, guys. We did good. Open this. Get some scrap. Upgrade some stuff. Let's get through this as fast as we can and get into another battle. Okay, well, didn't even do that much damage. It's not a bad thing at all. Oh, that missed by barely anything. Come on, got him. Oh, he's gonna die before I can... Taking damage. It's not very good. Maybe I can kill him. He has so little health. And this is the last guy. That's gonna do it for now. I'm Goldfinch Gaming from Posh and Suicidal, and I will see you next time.